Hi my cuties, Sweet Mimi Doll here. Today I'm just going to show you how to do a polymer clay rose, just like this one. This one is actually a little one. I'm going to do it in a bigger version so you guys can see exactly how it looks like. So this is what you need. You need polymer clay. Of course, I'm using the traditional red flatten and just a cutter. And let's start it. Okay, first of all, you just cut your rose petals. So you just use your cutter and cut loads of them. So the first petal, you just grab one of the petals. You're just going to flatten like this. You grab your little, I'm gonna do it in a toothpick so you guys can see what I'm doing. Go. It just roll just like this. There we go. That's the first stage of the rose. And you put it aside in your I don't know what you call this foam. Then you grab another petal. And with the help of your fingers, sorry about my nail, I didn't remove my polish, it's really crap today. You just flatten like this, squeeze with your fingers. It does not need to be perfect because, as you know, the rose petals are not 100% perfect. It makes them look more real if they're not, if they got like this, see this kind of shape like this. So you squeeze them, just like that. Just like that, and then you grab your first one and you put it just like that. You have a look, push it down. If you're not happy, of course you can always remove, so don't attach it straight away, just have a look. You find it's perfect. There you go. Just close this one and put it back on the foam. Grab another one and just flatten with your fingers, just like that. It's quite easy because the clay is still soft, so it becomes easier. Here you go. As you guys can see it, see if I'm going to put on my head. See the shape of the petal becomes uneven, so it's quite pretty. That's how I want it. So you grab again your rose, put your petal, have a look, see if you're happy. I am happy. Flatten, there you go. Just put it like that. And just very gentle. Roll all around, put it back. And repeat the process. There you go. So I'm going to do a few petals and then I come back. So I went away and I flattened all the petals, so it will be much easier. Now, that's how the rose is starting to look like already. So now it becomes much easier for me to put the petals. Be gentle, work all around. Oh, sorry, I was out of camera. It's a stunning idea. So you just work around with the petals around your rose. Take your time, and eventually will become a stunning rose. Really cute already. If you find it's got too many petals, you can always stop. I'm just going around a few petals more. And there you go. And that's your rose, of course. Then you just big, you put the green all around, and eventually your rose is done. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.